Listed here are the total costs associated with the 2015 production of 1,000 drum sets manufactured by True Beat. The drum sets sell for $509 each. Here are all our costs. They have 10 different costs, and we're supposed to calculate the manufacturing cost per drum set. So let's do that. The plastic for casing, $18,000, is a variable cost. It goes under the variable production cost section of this calculation for manufacturing cost per drum set. So $18,000 there, and if you divide it by 1,000, you'll get $18 per plastic casing. Wages for assembly workers, a total of $83,000 from the list up above. You divide that by 1,000, you get $83 per unit. Drum stands, $38,000 came from again, these are variable costs, and divide that by 1,000, it's $38. So the total variable production cost will be $139,000, and the total variable cost per unit would be $139. Now let's look at fixed cost from this list. Fixed costs, we have property taxes on the factory, $5,000. So it looks like that would be an item number 3, $5,000. And if you divided that by 1,000, you get a $5 per unit cost. The annual fee for maintenance service, again, it's another product cost, and it's fixed, and it would be, looks like item 8. And you divide that by 1,000, you get $18 fixed cost per unit. Machinery depreciation, that would be item number 6. No, I'm sorry. Let's see. It looks like it'd be item number 10 right there. And so $48,000 is the total cost, and we've got divided by 1,000 pieces. We've got $48 there. The total fixed production costs are going to be $71,000, and it looks like the per unit fixed cost would be $71. And then the total production cost with all the variable costs and all the fixed cost would be a total of $210,000, and it's going to be $210 per unit. Okay, what I want you to notice here is that there were several items, these costs, we didn't use, and they were the ones outside the factory. Let's see, we didn't use accounting salaries, $33,000. We didn't use rent cost of equipment for sales staff, $48,000. We didn't use upper management salaries, $165,000, and we didn't use sales commissions, so $20 per unit. So that's an important thing to understand, because what we're really calculating here is the manufacturing cost, that is things inside the factory of these drum sets. And so that's something to be aware of.